You see a name on a document. It looks official, it looks real. But that person does not exist. That identity was created, not lived. In that moment, you're not just seeing something false, you're seeing something fictitious. Fictitious means not real, invented, or imagined. The pronunciation, fictitious, F-I-C, is fic. T-I-T-I-O-U-S is titious. Titious. Stress is on the second syllable. Fictitious. Fictitious. The grammatical nature, fictitious, is an adjective. It describes something that does not exist in reality. Common collocations are fictitious name, a false name used instead of a real one. Fictitious character, an invented person in a story. Fictitious account, a false or made-up account. Fictitious identity, a completely created person. These collocations are often used in formal, legal, and narrative contexts. Examples: he used a fictitious name to open the account. The name was not real, it was created to hide identity. The novel is set in a fictitious town. The place does not exist, it was imagined by the writer. A lie tries to replace the truth, but something fictitious was never real from the beginning.